5. Uses of what with examples. What is used as a determiner, pronoun, and in exclamatory sentences? Here are a few examples of what. A. Examples of what as a determiner. What time will you go? 2. What books are you going to buy? 3. What time is it? B. Examples of what as a pronoun. 1. What occurred to me was to wait. 2. What are you going to do? 3. I don't understand what he's saying. C. Examples of what in exclamatory sentence. 1. What a lovely house it is. 2. What an idiot he is. 3. What a shame.